wheat chart first of all, and this is the November contract, and we've got the daily bar chart in front of us, as you can see. We've got the Elliott wave count marked as usual, moving averages, and interested to see how the 60-day here is really curled up now and is heading on up. We're still in this consolidation pattern, like similar to a triangle. We're making lower highs and higher lows, so it's sideways basically. Moving averages are coming in, the 5 and the 20, and we're last night's close here at 156.95. You know, this is what I expect to see. We talked about it 2 months ago that we get into May. We'd like to see the move happen by May the 18th, so that's next week. But we've got this consolidation pattern until we get a breakout. My target's still in place here, 168, which is the gap fill, and obviously stop down here below 150. And that's where we are at the moment. And we're in, we've broken through the highs of this line that's saying 160. So still expect further upside. Just going on here, this is interesting. Just have the monthly chart. This on a candlestick, and you can see here that last month, April, what happened here, we broke through, came back, and this is the current month here. And you can see the range here that we've had here in place since last September, November, December. Had that fall in January, we recovered, and that's the lows 162 of January last year, and that's the one I think we need to break through, which is obviously showing us on this chart here, 162, and then we'll head on up 168. And then just going on to the US wheat chart, which obviously you can see from the whole angle of the chart how bullish this is. You can see that we hadn't got a triangle formation, we've got a sort of wedge pattern formation, and also note how the volume had to continue to rise with the open interest, so people are buying into this rise. Moving averages are all heading up. We've had the breakout at 740, last night we were at 755, obviously looking very bullish. Last swing high pivot was here at 720, which we've now broken, confirmed, so it's heading on up. And obviously news regarding the possible of an El Nino season this year will only help to help that situation. Lastly, we'll look at the November chart on the rate, which is beginning to look very confusing actually. We've got lower lows, and also we've got to cross through the 5 days, and the 20 days crossing through the 6-day moving average. Volume is going up, so that could mean selling into a break to the downside, but obviously until we sort of get below this 345, we will not get a continuation of the low, the downward trend since last year. But obviously likewise we need to see a break of this sort of 375, 385 to get it confirmed on the upside. So it's sideways action. That's all I can say at the present moment. So basically still the same on the wheat. Expect higher, but obviously in a consolidated moment, and rate stuck in this sideways pattern at the present moment. And thanks for watching.